All right, our shrimp are about halfway done, so we're going to flip them over. And then we're going to want to reduce our heat down to about 4. We want a nice brown flavor of the garlic and the ginger, but we don't want to scorch it. All right, our pancakes have just about cooked through, so we're going to remove them from our pan and set them aside for now. We're going to be plating them up in about 1 minute. So we'll take the pan that we had cooked them in, and we're going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of soy sauce and half a tablespoon of sesame oil. And then we're going to go and chop 2 more cloves of garlic. And this is the sauce that we're going to put over our rice cakes.